If you've ever worked on a construction site, you already know one thing. Leveling is everything. It doesn't matter if you're building a foundation, grading land, or pouring concrete. If your levels are off, even slightly, the entire project can go wrong. At first, it might not seem like a big deal. A few millimeters here, a slight slope there. But over time, those small errors turn into serious problems. Drainage issues, structural misalignment, uneven surfaces. And the worst part? You often don't realize the mistake until it's too late. Fixing it can cost time, money, and sometimes even your reputation. That's why professionals don't rely on guesswork. They rely on tools built for precision. And when it comes to outdoor leveling and large-scale construction, rotary laser levels have become the industry standard. But here's the big question. Do you really need an expensive, high-end rotary laser level? Or is there a tool that delivers professional performance without unnecessary complexity? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Because in this video, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most trusted rotary laser levels used by contractors worldwide, the Spectra Precision LL300N. We're going to test it, break it down, and show you exactly how it performs in real-world conditions. So by the end of this video, you'll know whether this tool is worth your investment. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to construction tools, job site equipment, and real-world testing. We don't just talk about specifications, we focus on performance, because at the end of the day, specs don't build projects, tools do. And choosing the right tool can make a massive difference. It can save you hours of work, reduce costly mistakes, and improve the overall quality of your results. Before laser levels became common, contractors relied on manual methods, string lines, bubble levels, manual measurements. These methods worked, but they were slow and prone to error. Today, rotary laser levels have changed everything. With one setup, you can create a level reference across an entire job site. That means faster workflow, better accuracy, and more consistent results. And that's where the Spectra Precision LL300N comes in. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe. If you're serious about construction tools and job site efficiency, this channel is built for you. We review laser levels, construction tools, job site equipment, and we focus on real performance. No hype, no marketing tricks, just honest insights that help you make better decisions. Because the truth is simple. The wrong tool can slow you down, but the right tool, it can completely transform your workflow. So if you want to stay ahead, subscribe now. The Spectra Precision LL300N is a rotary laser level designed for outdoor construction work. Unlike crossline lasers, this tool projects a 360-degree rotating beam. This creates a level plane across an entire job site. That means multiple workers can use the same reference point. It's commonly used for site leveling, excavation, concrete work, and landscaping. This is not a DIY tool. This is built for professionals. The LL300N is built for tough environments. It features a rugged design that can handle dust, impacts, and outdoor conditions. On real job sites, tools take abuse. This one is designed to handle it. The casing protects internal components and ensures long-term reliability. The rotary laser creates a continuous level plane. When paired with a receiver, it works even in bright sunlight. This is critical for outdoor use, because visibility alone is not enough. Detection accuracy is what matters. The LL300N features an automatic self-leveling system, which is one of its most important capabilities. This feature ensures that the laser remains perfectly level, even if the surface is slightly uneven. Once the tool is powered on, it quickly adjusts itself to find level alignment. This eliminates the need for manual calibration and reduces setup time significantly. If the tool is placed outside its leveling range, it will alert the user. This warning system helps prevent incorrect readings and protects the accuracy of the project. For contractors, this means less time spent adjusting equipment and more time focusing on actual work. The self-leveling system also enhances confidence. You know that the laser reference you're using is accurate, which reduces the chances of costly mistakes. On a real job site, efficiency is just as important as accuracy. The LL300N improves workflow by providing a consistent reference point for the entire team. Instead of multiple workers measuring and marking independently, everyone can rely on the same laser plane. This reduces confusion and ensures alignment across the project. For example, while one team handles grading, another can work on layout using the same reference. This parallel workflow saves time and increases productivity. The result is a smoother, faster construction process. The LL300N is specifically designed for outdoor construction work. It performs best in environments where large areas need to be leveled or lined. Common applications include site grading, road construction, foundation leveling, and landscaping. Because of its rotating laser system and receiver compatibility, it can cover wide areas effectively.
The receiver is a critical part of this system. In bright sunlight, the laser beam may not be visible to the naked eye. The receiver detects the laser signal and provides accurate feedback to the user. This allows precise leveling even in challenging lighting conditions. Despite being a professional tool, the LL300N is surprisingly easy to use. The controls are simple and intuitive, allowing quick setup. This makes it suitable for both experienced contractors and new users. Durability is one of the strongest aspects of this tool. It is built to handle tough job site conditions, including dust, vibration, and impacts. This ensures long-term reliability. Key advantages include high accuracy, strong build quality, excellent outdoor performance, reliable self-leveling, wide working range. These features make it ideal for professional use. Some limitations include requires receiver for full functionality, higher price point, not ideal for small indoor tasks. However, these are expected for a professional rotary laser. Compared to cheaper laser levels, the LL300N offers better performance and durability. It is designed for professionals who need reliability. The Spectra Precision LL300N is a powerful tool for outdoor construction. It delivers accuracy, durability, and efficiency. For contractors, it's a valuable investment. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe. We bring real-world tool testing and professional insights. Stay tuned for more.